In just 3 days, I was able to visibly improve my pimples, melasma, and overall skin clarity. In this video, I'm going to show you real proof that will help you understand how effective this remedy is. I promise you, every single ingredient used in this remedy is easily available at home. Using these simple ingredients, you can prepare a very effective, natural cream for yourself. This remedy helps improve acne, pigmentation, dull skin, and even the appearance of open pores. If you are struggling with pimples, dark spots, uneven skin tone, or melasma, then this video is especially for you. Some time ago, my skin was also in very bad condition. I had many dark spots, pimples, and my skin suddenly started looking dull and lifeless. I used this cream consistently for just 3 days, and I could clearly see a visible improvement in my skin. This remedy works quickly, and if you feel that no face pack or product is working on your skin, then you should definitely try this method exactly the way I'm explaining today. Many people have already tried this remedy, and almost everyone experienced very positive results.
The main ingredient of this remedy is neem leaves. Neem is known for its powerful antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps detoxify the skin, remove impurities, fight acne-causing bacteria, and calm inflammation. This is especially helpful for acne and pimples, melasma and pigmentation, small bumps on the forehead, oily and acne-prone skin. Neem helps clear the skin naturally and improves overall skin texture. First, take fresh neem leaves, preferably young leaves. Wash them thoroughly with clean water to remove dirt and pollution. Now, add the neem leaves to a grinder and make a fine paste. Strain this paste using a clean cotton cloth to extract the neem juice. We only need the neem juice for this remedy. If you have pigmentation, dark spots, tanning, or uneven skin tone, this remedy helps cleanse the skin deeply and improves brightness. It can be used by people of all age groups because it's made with natural ingredients. Now we add glycerin to the neem juice. Glycerin deeply nourishes the skin, improves softness, and gives a plump, healthy glow. It is very beneficial for dry skin, fine lines, and early signs of aging. Next, add vitamin E serum or capsule. Vitamin E helps reduce dullness, supports skin repair, and improves skin elasticity. Then, add tea tree oil. Tea tree oil helps control acne, prevents future breakouts, and keeps the skin clean and fresh. If tea tree oil is not available, don't worry. You can still prepare this remedy using alternative options. When all ingredients are mixed well, the remedy turns into a gel-like cream. Store it in a clean glass container and keep it in the refrigerator. Since there are no preservatives, it should be used within 2 weeks. Apply this gel every night on clean skin. Massage gently until it absorbs completely and leave it overnight. In the morning, wash your face with plain water. You will notice that your skin feels fresher, smoother, and clearer over time. This remedy helps improve acne, pigmentation, dullness, uneven skin tone, and overall skin health when used regularly. Please remember, everyone's skin is different, so always do a patch test before applying anything new to your face. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to save it, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more natural skincare tips. Do let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I'd love to connect with you all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.